Hi, and welcome to History's a Blast. We are on a rainy day railroad station hunt here in the Schuylkill Valley of eastern Pennsylvania. We're going to start with the what's left of the Reading North station area. This is actually not a Reading building, that's actually an interlocking tower. It must be on the former Pennsylvania Railroad because that's a Pennsylvania Railroad style interlocking tower. Somewhere along the line, the Pennsy and the Reading lines all come together on the Reading and Northern Railroad. But just wanted to start here and hope you'll come along for the ride. We're going to be looking at surviving Reading stations farther up the line. We'll start with Schuylkill Haven and we'll go to Minersville. They offer a short freight route to Canada via Scranton. And the Reading and Northern, if I'm not mistaken, the freight aspect of this operation hauls anthracite coal up there. It's called metallurgical coal, which means it's being used for making iron and steel. That's interesting. There's train activity back in the background there on the main line. Looks like that's maybe where the Pennsylvania and the Reading connection might have occurred at one time. We've got Norfolk Southern signal lights. There's a train. Okay, let's move on. This is the former passenger station at Schuylkill Haven, Pennsylvania, of the Reading Railroad. Beautifully, beautifully kept up by the Reading and Northern. Blue Mountain Reading and Northern, the passenger operation here. Just walk around here. Gorgeous building. It's a rainy day. Somehow, though, it's appropriate.
It was nice the way they built a crate around the air conditioner vent, so
yeah, that's really kind of great to see these old stations preserved. Look out for mailbag when train passes. Yep, back in the day when the post office traveled on the rails, they tossed the bags out the window if the train wasn't stopping here. This is a great one. Coal picking prohibited. My father and his brother did that back in the Great Depression. Picking coal. It fell out of the cars. Sometimes it didn't fall out of the cars, it was pushed. We'll walk around to the street side. Under the platform. Really coming down now. Nice displays inside. Look inside the windows into the waiting room. Displays. Look inside. Okay, let's move on to our next stop on our impromptu rainy day station tour. This is Minersville, Pennsylvania, on the Reading Railroad, the former Reading Railroad, now the Reading and Northern. A lot of traffic coming by. This is the Minersville station. It's kind of a triangular shape because there was a branch came off back there behind that passenger car and went around up along the, I guess, down the branch of the Schuylkill River. I forget which branch this is, but it's a branch of the Schuylkill River. The building is being taken care of. Looks like the Reading Blue Mountain and Northern Railroad Company, which is the excursion side, the scenic railroad and steam excursion side of the Reading and Northern Railroad. It uses it, although it doesn't look like there's been a lot of traffic on the railroad recently. There's also a local organization that has maintained this 060 switcher from the Central Railroad of New Jersey for excursions, and they do have scheduled excursions this year. I'll put a link to their website down below. The 113 project. Looks like a former business car. Here the station sits at the junction between the Reading's main stem there, although I don't think this is the Reading's main stem. This is another branch of the Reading. And another branch that came off here and went off into the woods that way. Nice, unique building. Thank goodness it's being taken care of by the 113 project. Well, I hope you enjoyed that brief visit to surviving passenger stations on the Reading Railroad in the Schuylkill Valley, and we'll see you soon.